In this tutorial, I'll show you how to switch your student's RISE math or science test to a Spanish transadaptive test. First, go to utahrise.org and log into TIDE. Then, go to Test Settings and Tools and select Test Settings and Tools. Search for the student by their ID number or their name. Once you've located the student's record, click on the Edit button. Go to the Presentation settings, and where it says Language, Braille or Spanish, under Mathematics and/or Science, select Spanish. Save the changes, and the student's test will be converted to Spanish, including the text-to-speech option. If you want to preview how this will look for the student, use the training tests. You can log into a training test as a guest, select any training test, that is math or science, and change the language under Presentation to Spanish. Then you'll be able to see what the test will look like in Spanish and have your students try this as well, and they can judge for themselves if this is better or worse than seeing the test in English, and they can choose Spanish or English for their RISE test. Please let me know if you have any questions. You can reach me at brooke.anderson@jordandistrict.org or at 801-567-8393.